Welcome to this guided meditation for energy renewal. This session will help you recharge your mind and body, allowing you to continue your day with vitality and balance. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed, and settle into a relaxed position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes. Let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Repeat for another 3 breaths like that. Take another deep breath in, feeling your body relax. And exhale, letting go of all stress and worries. Continue breathing deeply and evenly. And with each exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Notice how your body feels against the surface supporting you. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Now, let's bring awareness to different parts of your body. Start with your toes. As you inhale, imagine a warm and bright light flowing into your toes, filling them with energy and relaxation. Exhale and release any tension. See this golden light move up to your feet, ankles, and calves. Feel the energy renewing these areas as you breathe in, and release any tightness as you breathe out. Continue moving this light up through your knees, thighs, and hips, filling each area with rejuvenating energy. Bring your awareness to your abdomen and lower back. As you inhale, let the golden light fill these areas, bringing warmth and vitality. Exhale and release any discomfort. Move up to your chest and upper back, feeling the light expanding with each breath. Allow your shoulders to relax, letting go of any worries or tension you may be holding on to. Continue to your arms, wrists, and hands. Feel the energy flowing through, revitalizing and renewing. Finally, bring the light to your neck, face, and head. Feel your entire body now filled with this warm, golden energy. Now, visualize yourself standing in a beautiful forest. The sun is shining through the trees, and you can hear the sounds of nature around you. Feel the earth beneath your feet grounding you. Imagine the energy from the earth rising up through your feet, filling your body with warmth and vitality. As you inhale, feel the golden light spreading its warmth and renewal throughout your body. As you exhale, imagine any remaining stress or fatigue leaving your body, dissolving into the air. Continue this process, feeling more and more rejuvenated with each breath. Now, silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations, allowing their energy to resonate within you. I am filled with vibrant energy and life. I release all fatigue and embrace vitality. My body and mind are refreshed and rejuvenated. I am a conduit of endless, renewing energy. Feel these affirmations sinking deep into your subconscious, reinforcing your renewed state of being. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently moving your body. Take a deep breath in, feeling the energy within you. Exhale, feeling grounded and centered. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. May you carry this renewed energy with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this meditation. Namaste.